to address them.
Jama'a assalamu alaikum. Kamar yadda kuka sani, na shigo wannan makaranta don in jajanta mana ga iftila'in da ya faru 'yan kwanakin da suka wuce. Abu ne duk mai imani zai yi bakin ciki da wannan abu da ya faru.
Gaskiya ne.
Amma ina ƙara tabbatar maku, kuma na farko zan ba ku haƙuri, na biyu kada ku bari wannan ya karya maku zuciya. Ilimi yana da muhimmanci, muna bakin ƙoƙarinmu, amma wa'ansu wanda ba sa kishin al'umma
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
in Allah yadda muna nan akan bakanmu, kuma ina ƙara tabbatar maku duk wani abu na tsaro da ikon Allah za mu ba ku tsaro.
Ubangiji Allah shi ba mu baki daya.
School students in this university. Before we commence, the discussion is how to provide security to this state. Right now, his entourage are all his close aides and security chiefs in the state in this university. Without so much waste of time, we have been praying since morning. We can now go ahead to invite His Excellency, the Executive Governor, the university community, right here in the office of the Vice Chancellor. The mic is there. The speaker is outside.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me just go straight to the Vice Chancellor and the entire university community. Assalamu alaikum. As you can see, BC, we are here today to really commiserate with you with regard to the unfortunate incidents that took place about 10 days ago. I was out of the country when the incident happened. I was in New York at the time, but I was constantly in touch with the entire security operatives as well as members of my cabinet to make sure we do everything humanly possible to rescue those abducted students. Effort is ongoing, and I can assure you that we are working tirelessly to make sure the remaining students are brought back safely, inshallah. It is indeed a very, very sad incident that happened, and we really feel sad, and we're all worried, and therefore we're working in conjunction with all the security operatives that you can see in the state to make sure we provide security to the entire people of Zamfara as well as our immediate community, which is the university. The university is a place for learning, and therefore it's not a place that we will play with. I want to assure you that we will continue to provide the necessary security so that there will be an enabling environment for the student to study without any fear of any abduction or any security challenge, inshallah. It is something that is ongoing, and we will keep you posted in terms of some of the measures we are putting in place to guard against the future occurrence of the ugly incident that took place. I therefore want to appeal to you and the entire student community to please bear with us. We will not relent in our effort to make sure we provide the atmosphere under which students will learn in this university, inshallah. I therefore want to appeal again to you to continue to talk to them and calm them down that government is doing everything humanly possible. It's a major challenge that we are facing, especially in Zamfara and the entire Northwest. But at the same time, we are not relenting. And inshallah, it's a matter of time, this challenge will be overcome. We will continue to pray to Almighty Allah to continue to guide and protect us. Assalamu alaikum.
Vice Chancellor, you are very much aware that this university is like a baby to His Excellency several years ago. It only takes few steps outside to see his physical presence based on his contributions, and he cannot rest when things happen, when things like this happen. On this note, I will invite you, Vice Chancellor, to respond to His Excellency on his speech. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Zamfara State, the Deputy Governor, our Brigade Commander who we have been working with day and night, the Director DSS, the Commandant of the Civil Defense, the SSG Speaker, and other government entourage. Assalamu alaikum, sir. This is a great honor for us, the university. This indicates that you are away, but your mind is really with us. I'm here, sitting down, trying to say, okay, I know His Excellency will be back today or tomorrow. I have to go and see him. I need to see him. We are having a meeting and we are trying to strategize on our situation. Not to complain, but even just to at least share with you our own situation. But I know certainly this is an indication, and I don't need to say more. People see your own intention on this, and inshallah, security situation is a challenge, and it's a challenge not only for Zamfara State, it's a challenge for the nation, and the nation need to do the right thing, and the right thing need to be done, not just hearsay. And if we do the right thing, we will be there. One of the indices of causing insecurity is lack of education. And lack of education is what brought us here. If we change our narratives, these things can change. I'm sure, sir, the way you come and meet Zamfara State, that is the way I came in and met FUG. And I'm sure I'm doing my best to change the narration, even for our people, even within our community. I know the challenges. So, sir, you too, you are there with the help of your colleagues, associates, and even some of us that are far away from you. I'm sure Allah will guide us so that we deliver for our people. Because with education, we can do a lot. And sir, yes, FUG, nobody can deny you. You are, and we keep on saying, a biggest stakeholder of FUG. And repeatedly, anywhere we can say it, anywhere we mention. So saying we have to go back and front to say this is what you need to do or this is what you have to do, no, it's just mere saying. Sometimes you can do it formally, you can do it informally. You have been doing it. So sir, we are here. All we want is a safe environment that we can live so that we can do and discharge our own responsibility. the security issue within the university, yes, we have to accept, even within the community, our own local community, they may be part of the problem, and we have to acknowledge that. So as long as we are the problem, then even to the security, then it's a challenge on the whole system, on the whole society. So we have to do more to push them out so that we do the right thing. In operating university, we have a system. I cannot go beyond the boundaries of university and said I want to provide security. It's not my responsibility. However, we will help and we will collaborate with those in charge. And sir, I must say, we have been doing it, and we are doing it, and we acknowledge those that really help us through the hardship and through when even there is nothing there. Even if there is nothing, we go there, we interact with them. This is our situation, they will guide us. I went round to all the chief securities in the state. I went round, I share with them, this is the situation we have. I wrote letters to all concerned, i.e. concerned including the National Assembly. I wrote to the Senate, I wrote to the Speaker, I wrote to all senators of Zamfara State, I wrote to even the House of Representatives of this catchment area. So when people are making issues out of something that they don't know, sometimes we just keep quiet. We know Allah is there, Allah knows the right thing, but sometimes they said you have to blow your trumpet. But in university, we don't do that. I go to you, sir, I kneel down, this is the help I want. I must not come and say this what we did, me and you. I go to brigade commander, we sit down, we share our own. I must not say, because with security issues, sometimes you don't even mention it. But unfortunately, within the system also, you have certain group that want to see that yes, you are down so that you don't operate. I keep on saying it to the Senate of the university. The whole aim of this is to make sure that this university is closed down. And I promise, as long as I'm in charge, as long as we are getting the help from those that are supposed to give us the help, this university will not be closed. University of Maiduguri went through this, and we all know the story. Federal government went there, they did a lot. University of Maiduguri is one of the safest places to be now in Maiduguri. So if we give up, we are selling our own future.
True.
That's what it means. So please and please, sir, we are really honored by your own visit here to console with us. Yes, it's a trying time, but not only for FUG, but even for you, because the way it is you are in charge. Sure. So whosoever we are praying, and our prayer will be there. Allah knows, and we will continue to pray. Inshallah, God will give us way out of this. And may Allah continue to guide us so that we can deliver our mandate. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Thank you very much.